My name is Lucy. I'm a calligrapher who likes to cook. And this is my little studio, and I'll show you what I do here. So here's how you make the abokado스시. Alright, ingredients. Wasabi paste, sunflower seed oil, tsuyu, 연두, lemons and avocados. You just need 1 lemon and 1 avocado for 1 person serving. You put oil, makes the rice more chewy. And you put tsuyu in it, spoonful of tsuyu, 연두, right? I put this in all my recipes basically. 연du is so convenient. And you put, it's time to squeeze the lemon, right? So you squeeze it real hard, real aggressively to the last drop. And if you don't like the seeds, take them out and mix them thoroughly. You hold that much of rice in your hand and make them into little rice balls. So simple. You smooth the edges out like that. Right, repeat the same procedure repeatedly several more times and you will have the rice ready. And here's how you cut the avocado. You stick the knife, rotate the avocado till where it started and then twist it around a little bit and it'll come off easily. Do the same to the seed, but more aggressively this time. Right? And you want to cut them into 8 vertical pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you peel the skin off and you'll see this beautiful green color inside. And you finally put the avocado pieces on top of the rice balls. Right? Very carefully. This is it. And you just squeeze more lemon on top of everything just to give it a little more freshness. And squeeze the wasabi paste as garnish. That's basically it. Time to dig in.